I mean, I don't think I have to because it's quite long. Like they can't say you can't just go on. I think if they have to, like I said,
Yeah.
I like the way we did the sword. Yeah, I like the one with sword. Huh?
Yeah, the one with the blonde hair.
Yeah, when
Yeah.
we did the sword, I like that.
Yeah.
Never he did. I think he's been doing it for a while.
That's pretty cool too, the stick thing. Yung parang lumulutang-lutang siya na stick. Di ba? Parang lumulutang siya eh. Pero may string. Pero mahirap pa rin yan, siyempre. Yeah, it's a string, but it's still pretty cool.
Kasi nakikita yung tip box nila.
Ha?
Yung tip box nila.
Ah, hindi nga nakikita.
I can see. Wala magbibigay. Nakita ko meron.
Dapat may nakasulat tip box.
Red. Tip.
Oo, tapos meron yung parang sulat.
Now they need to put lights on the tip. Look, lights.
Or put like something with like a box that says
I
tip
think
box.
people see it, but they don't wanna give tip. Yung mga nakikita, yung mga tao dito. Alam yung mga puti ko report. They work hard, so they deserve tip.
Yeah.
Because you can get burned on them. They deserve